Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful question. So as you can see, this is a question under the combination of Boyle's and Charles laws. So I want you to know how to calculate such questions if they are to come in an exam, strategies and simple ways on how to answer these. So quickly before I start, if you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe. You're watching this on Facebook, make sure that you follow me on this page. Thank you so much. So this is a question that we have here. I'm your tutor Harrison J. Zulu. So the question is saying 15 meter cubed of gas is at a pressure of 70 newtons per meter cubed and a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. Find its volume when it is at a temperature of 127 degrees and a pressure of 35 newtons per meter cubed. This is a question that you are given. How can we answer this particular question? This is a wonderful question. So whenever you see a question where you've got volume is given, temperature is given, and the pressure is given, if these three things are given in a particular question, just know that it's a combination of Boyle's and Charles' law. So this is what you need to know. So which formula gets to summarize these two? The formula that we get to use is this particular formula. So you need to make sure that you know this formula very well. So the formula we get to use, we say pressure, initial pressure, which is pressure 1 multiplied by volume 1 over temperature 1. This is equal to pressure 2 multiplied by volume 2 over temperature 2. So some of the things that you need to know and understand if we start to get the data, if we collect the data. So let me say I put the data here. What is given? So the first one that is given is the volume. The volume there, 15 cubed meters. So that is volume 1. What is volume 1? Volume 1 is 15 cubed meters, like this. Then is at a pressure of 70 pressure. So pressure 1 is equal to 70 newtons per cubed meter. Then we proceed, and the temperature, we are also given the temperature. That is the temperature that we are given. So temperature 1 is equal to what? 27 degrees Celsius. So don't forget, the temperature is supposed to be converted to kelvins. So how do you convert from kelvins from degrees Celsius to Kelvin? How do you convert? You just add a constant number. This 27 plus 273. This is what we get to do. So to convert this, what you are going to do is that you just say 273 plus a constant, which is 27 plus 273. What answer are you getting? You are getting a what? So this is just the same as 300 kelvins. So 27 degrees is the same as 300 kelvins. This is what you are supposed to know. So this is the temperature that we are going to use. Each time you are given such a question, you need to know how to convert, how to change. So if you are changing from degrees to kelvins, you add the degrees given plus 273. This is what you need to do. So we are done with this. We continue. The question is find its volume. So the volume that we are finding is volume 2. Volume 2 is question mark. This is the one that you want to find. When it is at a temperature of 127, so there is a temperature there which is 127. So temperature 2 is what? Is 127 degrees Celsius. I've told you that if you are changing from degrees Celsius to kelvins, what are you supposed to do? You just add a constant number, which is a 273. So 127 plus 273. What answer are you getting? You're getting a 400. So 400 what? Kelvins. This is the answer here. So 127 degrees is just the same as 400 kelvins. Then what is pressure? Pressure 2. Pressure 2, we are given that one. So I'll say pressure 2. So the pressure 2 is equal to what? 35 newtons per meter cubed. So this is the data that we are given in the question. After getting this data, then we just substitute in our wonderful formula that we are given. So we want to find the volume. So how do you get to find the volume? What you are going to do is this. You say pressure 1 is here. You say 70 multiplied by volume 1. Where is volume 1? 15. Over temperature 1, 300. The one we converted. So 300, which is equal to pressure 2. Pressure 2 is 35. Multiplied by volume 2 is the one that we want. So I say volume 2 over temperature 2, 400. So I'll put a 400 there. So which means that what I'm going to have here, I cross multiply. I want to find the volume 2 that is there. So I'm going to cross multiply. When I cross multiply, what answer am I getting? 300 times 35. What answer am I getting? This side, I'm getting this answer, which is this answer. This is the answer I'm getting. So I say V2, which is equal to. So 300 times 35, I'm getting 10,500 V2. So what answer am I getting when I multiply there? 70 times 15. I'm getting 1,050. The 1,050 that I'm getting here, I multiply it with the 400 times 400. What answer am I getting? I'm getting this answer, 420,000. This is the answer I'm getting. I divide both sides by 10,500 over 10,500. So these two are going to cancel. If those two cancel, the answer that I'm going to get, volume 2, will now be equal to this same answer, this one divided by that. So divide 10,500. What answer are we getting? We are getting a 40. So 40 meters cubed. This is your answer. These are the steps that you are supposed to do. This is what you need to get and understand. Hope you've seen how I've calculated this. Hope you've noticed all the procedures that I've done here. If you want tuitions with me, if you want to start tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, and physics, you contact me on this number. WhatsApp me on this number. I've said tuitions. I get to receive a lot of text with people that don't even want to start tuitions with me. So if you are texting, you want tuitions. So this number, you text me if you are ready to start, you want to pay. Strictly for people that want to start tuitions with me. Thank you so much.